Good afternoon. Greetings from NEDED Bangkok. With the kind permission of Mr. Sandy Kumar Nadiet, Honorable Chairman of the NEDED, may I announce that the General Assembly session is now officially commenced. May I read out the agenda? If the agenda 1, call to order by Zoom video conference by facilitator, and 2, roll call. 3 is the introduction of the participants. 4, welcome address by Honorable Chairperson NEDED. 5, address by the distinguished guests. And 6, address by Chief Staff. 7, vote of thanks to us and to the Chief Staff. And 8, confirmation minutes of last General Assembly session. 9, noting of proceedings of ASCON held after the last General Assembly session. 10, report of the chairman of each such committee or broad target area. And 11, report on needed activities in 2019 and 2020. And 12, discussion on needed ward plan for year 2021 and 2022, and finalization adoptions of ward plan. And then elections of needed ASCON office barrier. And then speed by new chairman. And 15, venue and host of the next General Assembly session. And finally, closings of General Assembly session. As per agenda, may I call needed member country alphabetically. Please kindly announce your presence. May I start Bangladesh? Bangladesh? Okay, may I
Yes, they are
skip
present.
China?
They are present. They are muted, but they are present. Yeah.
Okay. Bangladesh. Okay, may I go China? China. And may I go India?
Yes,
Please
India is
kind.
present.
Yeah.
Iran. Iran. And Kenya.
Yes, I'm present. Good morning.
Good.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Nepal.
Present.
Yeah, Nepal
also present.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. Philippines.
Present, we're present. Good afternoon.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka.
Yeah, I
And
think
Thailand.
yeah, Thailand, Mr. Salin Krishna, and all of you are present.
Okay. Honorable Chairperson, the presence of delegate complying with the current as per needed constitution, the session can start officially. As per agenda, may I request participants to introduce themselves. May I announce the country alphabetically. Start from Bangladesh. Please kindly introduce.
Good morning. I am Astamuddin Ahmed Khan, Joint Secretary, Rural Development and Cooperative Division, Bangladesh Secretariat, Dhaka.
Good morning. This is Mohammad Asaduzzaman from the Department of Politics. I am an additional registrar here. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Mohammad Azmi Sadat, the Deputy Secretary working in the Ministry of Rural Development and Cooperative Division. Thank you.
We are three from Bangladesh Secretariat joined with you. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. And China absent. And may I call India? India.
Good morning. I am Satyanarayana, Chief Executive NCI. And good afternoon to all the persons who are towards the left of that is India. And good evening to Mr. Crisco, Kenya. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, B.K. Mishra. I am the Managing Director of the National Federation of Fishers Cooperative Limited. And I welcome all of you to this meeting. Thank you.
I am
P.S.
Bhima
Gaylord,
here.
Managing Director, Indian Potash Limited, India. I confirm I have received the meeting notice and I am participating by myself.
I am Bhima here, Managing Director, National Federation of State Cooperative Banks. I am also an ex-com member of NEDAC. Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon.
Dilip
Hello,
Gaylord,
everyone. Yes, Dilip Sanghani, Chairman NESCO, Chairman Vice Chairman IPCO. I am joined in my residence office. I am alone. Hello, everyone. I'm Tarun Bhargav, representing IFCO, Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative Limited. I'm Joint General Manager, Cooperative Relations. And I hereby confirm attending this meeting and receiving the agenda for today's meeting. Thank you, everyone.
Good morning. This is Meenakshi Sundaram, Secretary Cooperation, Government of Uttarakhand.
Is there any participant from India?
Please wait. They're all introducing themselves.
Good morning to everybody. I am S. Charan, Managing Director of Perundurai Agricultural Marketing Cooperative Society from Tamil Nadu.
Hi, good morning. I am Sushil Kumari, Chief Account Officer and General Manager Finance and Accounts, HAFED, Panchkula, Haryana.
Good morning, everybody. I am Ravi Kumar, Managing Director, Tiruchengodu Agriculture Cooperative Marketing Society. Thank you.
Good morning, one and all.
Can I speak?
Yeah, please go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah, this is Meena Arul, Managing Director, Erode Agriculture Cooperative Marketing Society.
Yeah, next person.
Next person from India.
Good morning, Manila. Yeah, I'm from Cancel, an observer from Cancel, Tamil Nadu Agricultural Federation. Thank you.
Yeah, please
Is
go
there
ahead.
anyone from?
No, wait, Kat, please don't interfere. They're all coming.
Yeah.
Don't worry. Next person from India.
Good morning, everyone. I am Vanitha, Chief Director, National Cooperative Development Corporation.
Namaste. I'm also from India, FAO representative Tomio Shichiri. Thank you.
I think Jyotindra Bhai Mehta is also there.
Yeah. So I am managing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Namaskar. Namaskar. Hello.
Jyotindra Bhai Mehta, please introduce.
Namaskar, I am Jyotindra Mehta. I am chairperson of National Federation of Urban Core Banks and Credit Society. Thank you very much.
Dr. Praveen Reddy. Who is wanted? Yeah, please unmute and speak. Dr. Praveen Reddy sir. Praveen Reddy Saab, unmute and speak.
Hello.
Yeah. We can hear you now.
Yes.
Praveen Reddy Saab, please speak up. We can hear you now. No, I think audio is not there. Okay. Anybody else from India?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, please, kindly.
So I'm from Tamil Nadu. Can I speak?
Yeah, kindly. Welcome. Please go ahead.
So I'm Murugesan, Managing Director of Salem Agricultural Cooperative Marketing Society, Tamil Nadu, India, sir. I'm very happy to participate in this meeting, sir.
Yeah, welcome. Anybody else from India? Yeah,
So
I
my
think
picture is not seen in the screen, sir. Sir?
Yeah, Miss Kat, I think you can move to the next country.
Yes. May I call Iran? Participant from Iran?
No, Iran is not there. Okay.
Yeah. May I call Kenya? Please kindly introduce.
Yeah, good morning. Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yeah,
we can hear you.
you.
Okay, I'm George Magutu from Kuskol, Kenya Limited. Thank you.
May I invite Nepal?
Good namaste and good morning. I'm KV Prati. I'm chairman of National Cooperative Bank and I'm board of director of National Cooperative Federation. Okay, thank you. And next, Lakshmi.
Hey, I'm Badri, Chief Executive Officer of National Cooperative Bank Limited.
Lakshmi.
Namaste and good afternoon. I am Lakshmi Prasad Upreti from NCBL, Account and Supervisor Committee Coordinator. Okay, thank you.
Next person from Nepal.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, please speak. Please
Namaste, my name is Lilana Gautam, Chief Manager of Shiva Shikhar Multipurpose Cooperative Limited, Bhaktapur, Nepal. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Next person from Nepal.
Good afternoon and namaste. This is me, Hombagale, Mechi Cooperative, Nepal.
Nice to meet you. Next person from Nepal. Next person from Nepal.
Yeah, we can move to the next country then.
May I invite Philippines?
Good afternoon from the Philippines. I'm Tetay Plantilla from the Federation of People's Sustainable Development Cooperative, and I'm so happy to see all of you virtually. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Heidi Bernal from the Federation of People's Sustainable Development Cooperative. Thank you and stay safe, everyone.
Good afternoon. Namaste to everyone. I am Orlando Banera, the chairperson of the Cooperative Development Authority. Thank you so much.
Next person from Philippines. Next person from Philippines. May I call Sri Lanka?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello. Everybody. Good
Hello.
morning. Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Please.
Yeah. Everybody. Good morning and good morning, Chairman. Also, I am from Sri Lanka. Muhammad Riaz, Chairman of Youth Empowerment Cooperative Society, as well as Vice Chairman of NEDAC. Thank you.
Next person from Sri Lanka.
Okay, I think now the NEDAC staff who are present here, they can introduce Mr. Khan.
My name is Wali Khan. I'm working as program advisor in NEDAC.
Okay, now I think I'll also mention the people who set up NEDAC, our like ICA, FAO. Already Mr. Tomio has introduced himself, and Apraka kindly introduce themselves. ILO head has sent a message that today being a Saturday, they would all not be able to join. But I will send them the minutes. So they have acknowledged the participation. So can we go to ICA? Anybody from ICA?
May I invite ICA? Yes. ICA.
Okay, if ICA is not there, then maybe I'll request Apraka also.
Good afternoon and good morning to all of you. Thank you very much for your invitation. I'm Prasoon, the Secretary General of Apraka, based in Bangkok. Thank you.
And now I'll also request our esteemed partner, Asian Institute of Technology, kindly introduce.
Thank you, Chairman. Namaste, Sawadee, good morning and good afternoon to everyone. Very happy to meet you. I'm Salin Krishna. I'm representing the Asian Institute of Technology, in short AIT. AIT is an international organization based in Bangkok, in Thailand. So we are a new member. Thank you very much.
Namaste.
Mr. Chairperson, may I move to next agenda?
Yeah, please go ahead.
To proceed with the agenda number 4, may I respectfully invite Honorable Chairperson Mr. Sandeep Kumar Nadir to deliver the welcome address. Mr. Chairperson, please.
Namaskar, good morning and good afternoon for people from our honorable members from Philippines, Bangkok. Before I proceed further, at the very outset, I'll request all your attention to pay homage to our esteemed cooperators who have lost fighting COVID, who lost their lives, they're fighting the COVID in recent months. So on behalf of all of you at the outset, I would like to place on record our gratitude and also our condolences to their families of our fellow cooperators across the world who have lost their lives during the pandemic. In fact, this idea came from our honorable member, Sri Jatindra Mehta, and I acknowledge that he thought of those people, and from NEDAC we place on record our condolences, if all of you agree. We'll now move to the particular task that has been given to us. I welcome all of you to this virtual meeting of the NEDAC General Assembly that we are holding today. It is indeed a great occasion to reiterate and recommit ourselves to the objectives of NEDAC and its values, which were set forth before us when it was set up in 1991 by FAO, ILO, IACA on the basis of the ministers' meeting held in the regional area of Asia Pacific. We are committed to the cause of the cooperatives, whether it is an agricultural cooperatives or allied sector cooperatives. We have been trying for last 2 years. After the last General Assembly, we have achieved many fasts and will continue with your support and guidance to do further things and deepening our commitment to work for the cooperatives. At this point, I just want to welcome all of you to this General Assembly on virtual mode and on a Saturday, which you have agreed. Many countries observe Saturday as a holiday, and many other countries do not observe Saturday as a holiday. For them, it is a working day. But I welcome all of you having spared time. Thank you very much. Let us move ahead in the next items.
Thank you very much, Honorable Chairperson, for your welcome address.